Hey folks, what a week. Elon Musk snagged $1 trillion for neural networks and calls for a pause, while Coca-Cola's facing a storm of hate. Then astronauts are frying wings in zero gravity. Oh, and mosquitoes? Officially doomed now. All that and more right now. But first, smash that like button, ring the bell, and let's roll. Meanwhile, the world's brightest minds demand a halt to AI development. Elon Musk, Steve Wozniak, and hundreds of scientists signed an open letter calling for a pause on neural network development. They say tech like GPT-4 and beyond already threatens humanity. Warning, we're at a tipping point, similar to inventing the nuclear bomb. The big question, should we let machines surpass and replace us? The authors suggest pausing training of models more powerful than GPT-4 for at least 6 months, so humanity has time to establish safety protocols. If not voluntary, governments must step in. Signatures were collected at the Future of Life Institute website. Signers include engineers from Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, and dozens of global researchers. Officially, the concern is uncontrolled AI risks. Unofficially, maybe someone binge-watched Boston Dynamics videos. Adding fuel to the fire, Musk, he said, honestly, AI will ultimately rule the world, not humans. AI development will far outpace human intelligence. In that scenario, it's hard to expect humans to stay in charge. The only thing we can do is try to make AI friendly toward us. Tesla clearly believes in Musk's genius because they simultaneously approved him a $1 trillion payday. Yes, you heard that. $1 trillion from Tesla investors. Without that payout, Elon Musk threatened to step down as CEO, so the shareholders couldn't take it and approved the deal. Now, Elon has a shot at becoming the first trillionaire ever. For context, a trillion is basically the entire GDP of Spain. But he won't pocket that cash right away. To get the bonus, Tesla needs to produce 20 million cars, sell 1 million robots, and push the company's value up to $8.5 trillion, all within 10 years. The payout will happen in stages as these goals are met. If he pulls it off, it'll be the biggest executive payout in US history. Meanwhile, while investors are crunching billions for that payout, Neuralink patients are already counting thoughts and flying planes. We recently covered patients who played games and controlled robotic arms with their minds. Now one of them, Alex Conley, just showed 2 new ways to use the tech. His implant surgery was in July 2024. Since then, he's not just using the device, he's coding and customizing it himself. This time, he reprogrammed his own wheelchair. It's a track chair model with tracks and high off-road capability. First, Conley switched the controls to chin operation, then coded Neuralink himself to add mind control. In a pumpkin patch video, he jokes, "Let's just say we have the coolest ride at the Harvest Festival." In another clip, he even piloted an aircraft. He linked Neuralink to an Arduino and then to a drone controller. Just thinks it, and the plane flies. And this isn't an official Neuralink setup. It's his own build and code. Neuralink's still in clinical trials. Only a few patients, yet some are already flying planes and controlling gear with their thoughts. Imagine what'll happen in a few years. Meanwhile, China just dropped a record for intelligence per buck. Meet Rover X1, a full-fledged robo-dog priced like an iPhone, or cheaper. It costs just $1,000, but packs AI, cameras, object recognition, and even patrol mode. It can follow you, carry stuff, guard the house, and roam rugged terrain freely. Their promo even shows leg mods with wheels and the ability to strap crates on its back for hauling. If all this really works, it's a total must-have. Although, honestly, it's a bit hard to believe for now. Mosquitoes are doomed. The startup Tornio just revealed a micro-drone that does one thing: hunts down mosquitoes and shreds them with its propeller. It uses a system of microphones and sensors to navigate and pinpoint bugs by sound, then strikes automatically. This fully autonomous drone patrols on its own, no human needed. It's available for $50 a month subscription or $1,100 if you want to own a forever mosquito avenger. Looks like sleepless nights and swatting in midair are coming to an end. Mosquitoes are in for an apocalypse named Tornio. It seems there's not a week without a scandal. This time, Coca-Cola got swamped in a wave of hate. They released an ad fully made with AI. Last year it was just an experiment, but now you get the full neural nonsense. Users say the ad is like a parody. Instead of people, there are weird animals from mobile games, and some trucks have 4 wheels, others 6. The internet didn't like it, but Coca-Cola said AI makes ads easier and cheaper to produce. The funniest part? Over 100 people and several AI studios worked on this budget masterpiece. They sifted through 70,000 generated clips just to find something usable. Coca-Cola said they consider this experiment. They're succeeding and plan to launch ads in 140 countries. Now for the long-awaited space news. Yeah, the ones you guys were buzzing about in the comments. Buckle up, friends. Humanity's taking another step toward the stars and dinner. China's frying chicken wings in space while the rest are stuck eating canned food. While NASA debates Mars missions, China set up a real oven on the Tiangong station and grilled New Orleans-style wings. No joke. 190 degrees, special racks, smoke filters, and fans because in zero-G, smoke doesn't rise. It's basically the first air fryer in orbit. The result? Crispy skin, caramelized goodness, and happy astronauts. It takes 28 minutes, almost like on Earth. Now the station smells like KFC, not borscht pouches. Intergalactic KFC is officially open. Meanwhile, Europe's astronauts get a menu upgrade too, but it's all eco-vegan vibes. ESA and Finnish startup Solar Foods launched the Hobby 1 experiment, and yes, it's real. The name's no joke. Food geeks want to turn pea into a protein powder. So leonine made from air, electricity, and yeah, urea. The idea is simple. Sending food from Earth is crazy expensive, and missions to the Moon and Mars are coming up. If it works, astronauts can eat what they literally produce. Sounds like a space diet joke, but it's real. Soon, real astronauts will try protein made from air and their own bodies. That's it for our Cosmic Eco Note today. Thanks for sticking with us. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated on the wildest tech news.